Hi guys, this is OpenBox review and detailed instruction for Wigoo screen protector for Tesla Model Y 2025. It's made in China. Here's the backside. And the first thing first, you need to enable the screen clean mode. So go to the display and click the screen clean mode. Now become black screen, you can apply. Let's open the box to see what's included. Here's the, let's open the plastic cover. You're gonna get this little notes which shows the lifetime warranty, which is pretty good even for a screen protector. And here's the instruction on paper, but I have to tell you, just discard this instruction. It's a little bit hard to understand, and a lot of those Amazon reviewer actually give you wrong instruction. I want to give you exactly the correct instruction based on the manufacturer. And let's remove the foam. And here's the cover. Now let's get this applicator and also screen alcohol. You know, my Tesla, I just got it yesterday. I just peel off the original screen protector, so I don't have to use alcohol. But if for your case you may need alcohol, and apply the screen protector as soon as you get the Tesla. So first thing, push the four corner of the plastic cover, very easy, and make the two arrow facing up. That's gonna fit perfectly with your 15-inch Tesla screen. And then you see the little red notes and pull on the cover. Do not open it, just sliding, put it out and get this plastic cover, and that's it. That's the backside of a screen protector. And then press the blue ribbon, and press the blue ribbon. As you press down the blue ribbon, you can see the bubble kind of squeezed by the adhesive force from the screen protector. You can see the bubble moves to the boundary of the screen protector until the bubble get all out, and you can pull out those blue ribbon. Make sure you secure the applicator, and then you put the plastic applicator. That's almost done, and then use those plastic tool to squeeze any bubble to outside the screen protector. Most of the bubble is gone. I only have a little bit of piece. I just use the applicator, no problem. And then remove the outside cover of the screen protector, those plastic cover. Very simple. And then that's it. You're almost done. You know, the most challenging part is alignment. Look at how aligned, because they have those plastic cover to get 100% alignment. No hassle, seamless installation, you know, very good quality, finger glare proof. I really like it. You know, I studied a lot of those products. This is the one I got it, no regret.